island is a treasure, gold and green in every measure. But the ones who guard the soil get nothing back for all their toil. Diamonds deep beneath the ground, yet empty plates go all around. A paradise on every map, but hunger sits on every lap. How can a land so full of light still lose its children every night? How can the pearls of the red island shine when the people starve in a broken line? Madagascar is rich, but the people are poor, a kingdom of wealth with a rusted door. The soil is gold, the rivers adore, but the children cry, we deserve more. Rich land, poor hands, what are we fighting for? Sand, but empty pockets fill the land. Tourists call it heaven's shore, but heaven doesn't feed the poor. Leaders talk and talk some more, while mothers pray behind the door. A nation full of hidden crowns, yet broken roofs and fragile towns. How can a heart so warm and kind be kept in chains by those who blind? How can a land with oceans wide still keep its people locked inside? Madagascar is rich, but the people are poor. Treasure in the ground, but none in the store. The earth is full, but the table's sore, and every dream feels like folklore. Rich land, poor hands, who is closing the door? Let justice tear through all the lies. If the island shines, then share the light. Let every child sleep full tonight. Madagascar is rich, but the people are poor. But one day the people